Easy moist chocolate cake. 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup chocolate powder, 1 cup white sugar, pinch salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, mix. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, cup melted butter or oil. Grease the pan. Mix well, then add the mix well, then put the mixture in the tin. Bake 180 degree for